You tune in here to your Feel Good Breakfast Show, Expresso, only on SABC3. Hope you're enjoying this Thursday morning. Of course, we're chilling out with Jonathan, Boynton Lee, and right now we have also our Eco Diva with us, Nicole. And Jonathan, you're in luck this morning, man. You're in luck this morning because Nicole's going to show us how to make cuticle cream because your cuticles, man...
I didn't even know what a cuticle was until you told me.
Well, we're going to be having a metrosexual moment, I think.
We are
I've been
indeed.
cooking, dancing, cuticle cream. It's been a good morning for
Putting
me.
you through your paces this morning. Right, Nicole, so take us through. What are we going to do?
We are going to make very natural cuticle cream, which is very moisturizing. And you know, they're little bits of skin peel, and a lot of people's cuticles are quite nasty.
Is that the white part there, the cuticle, or the whole back of the nail?
It's the whole... It's the skin around the nail.
Okay.
That's
So
what
You're
you
right.
push
You're
back.
right.
You
It's
push
a
it back,
shocking-
exactly.
Shocking
Shocking,
condition.
disgusting. How dare you?
You
Please
need to
help
take
me.
care of those, but we'll help you now.
So we're going to have 3 tablespoons of cocoa butter.
wow.
This is in its raw form. You can smell it. It smells like chocolate. It's
For a second, I thought that's palm sugar.
Can you eat this?
yes, you can. This is actually the
You're gonna
good
try.
I'm not
fat.
gonna,
But
It's the
you always
good
went
fat
for
from
it.
the
I
cocoa
almost did,
bean.
because I'm really hungry. But, yeah. But anyway, I carry
You
on.
can eat it, it's fine. So that's the good fat from the cocoa bean. Always good. You can make chocolate with it. A lot of beauty products are made with cocoa butter.
Okay.
Then we've got some shea butter or shea butter.
I recognize shea butter.
That's for
Which is also
moisturising.
moisturising, exactly. Again, from a nut, the shea nut.
That's it.
And then we're going to have some beeswax pellets.
Okay.
So they're little pellets, and what they do is they make the formulation stick together
And you
beautifully.
can eat that as well.
You can.
you really want to.
You
So
can.
because I bite my nails, so now at least I know if I'm biting my nails,
Perfect.
it will taste good.
Definitely. Well, at least this cream won't stop you from biting your nails, if that's your thing. Okay, then we're going to use some vitamin E oil, because it's incredibly moisturising for the skin. Argan oil, which again is
Argan oil.
argan oil. It's made from
what
the
smells so
argan
nice?
tree in Kenya.
Okay.
It's in, and then we're going to be using some lemon essential oil because it smells delicious. So you have to melt the 3 ingredients, the shea butter, the cocoa butter, and the beeswax. Melt it down in a double boiler, so I already did that. It's pre-melted, and you can see it's all formed nicely. We're then going to add about 10 drops of vitamin E oil. Same with the argan oil, about 10 drops.
Is this what we're paying hundreds of rands for? Buying off the shelf?
Thousands, and this
And
costs
this you make
next
at
to
home?
nothing, and it's totally natural. Smell that delicious, refreshing lemon
That is nice and fresh.
essential oil. So we're going to add about 10 drops of lemon essential oil.
Okay.
We're going to mix it up. And that is your cuticle cream, basically. It's that simple. It's
looks
very, very
delicious.
simple.
It does, eh? But the thing is, whenever Nicole comes on, she literally makes all of these things and it just smells so good. You just want to eat it.
It smells
you
like
want
a
to stuff it in your
spa in
mouth.
here now.
Well, this is
It
a
does.
pre-made one that I made last night, and that's what it looks like in its finished product.
I like what you've done with the packaging there as well.
Isn't
It's
it
very,
beautiful?
yeah.
It's great packaging. It's
Yeah.
recycled.
Great stuff.
It
Great
was
stuff.
really cool.
sweet and sour sauce before. In
Oh,
here.
that does smell lovely.
Isn't
But
that
of course,
delicious?
not difficult at all. But if you
Not
have missed
at all
any of the
difficult.
steps, here we go again.
In a small saucepan or double boiler, over very low heat, melt the butters and the wax. Once melted, remove pan from heat and allow to cool a bit. Add remaining ingredients and stir well to combine. Pour into recycled storage container. Allow cuticle cream to cool and harden on a flat surface.